Yo, what's up guys? This is your boy. Ito na naman ngayong gabi. Welcome ulit sa channel natin at welcome naman sa panibagong video natin ngayong gabi. So, ngayong gabi guys, quick review lang tayo sa panibagong laro at i-introduce ko sa inyo itong panibagong laro na si CJC Race. Ito ay bago-bago pa lang, nasa 1 month pa lang ata yung larong ito. Medyo late na tayo pumasok pero di naman talagang masyadong late, no? So quick overview lang tayo sa sa link nila sa website dahil since maintenance yung CGC race hanggang 17 August 17 hanggang August 24 maintenance sila. So di tayo makakapaglaro, di tayo makakapag-overview sa gameplay nila. So for the for this content, today's content or today's video, quick lang tayo, overview sa website nila kung ano yung dapat mong matutunan inside the game. Okay, so bago tayo magsimula, mag-intro muna tayo. Let's go! Nila guys sa website nila mismo. Ito yung CJC Race Climax Jockey Club. So race, earn, own, legend. So itong CJC game guys ay isa siyang horsing racing game. Di siya nasa luck lang. Bali skill based game siya mismo. So need mo talagang matutunan kung paano laruin tong game. So, meron ditong full version ng game at light version. So, ito ata is parang leaderboard ata nila to. Then, ito, may video sila sa CJC Race. And ito, the game mismo. Is siyang race against real players para makapag-earn kayo ng CJC coins, badges, and another rewards. Meron ditong racehorse jockey and item NFTs that possess unique attributes and abilities. So players just simply match these attributes and control the jockey in game to race. Set up your racing set with in-game props and skills to secure the victory. So, meron silang mga dito guys, starting pack, balance pack, all-in-one pack, prime, and supreme. So, pwede kayong bumili dito, pero invest lang kayo kung gusto nyo. Pero, do your own choice pa rin bago kayo mag-invest, no? Tapos, punta tayo dito sa game info nila. So, game summary. CJC Race is a blockchain game. GameFi horse racing game where players enhance their racing strategies by acquiring jockeys, horses, and items to form racing sets competing for lucrative rewards. Players can trade NFT assets through CGC race markets. O dito guys, no, kita naman sa screen ko, meron silang item dito na UR, SR na horse, at saka SSR na jockey. So, kung mas mataas yung tier ng jockey, item at saka horse, siguro mataas chance na makapag leaderboard ka, no? So, aside sa tier nila guys, parang nakita ko sa game nila, meron silang eto, tingnan nyo to, game features, no, in game. Meron sila dito. Then, quick look lang tayo sa content nila. So, meron tong mga boxes. Katulad ng sabi ko, players acquire unique NFTs through blind boxes. Building their own team to compete against others for prizes. The game offers various event types and such as league challenges, PvP, and champion stakes, allowing players to participate in event tailored to their team composition and win rewards. So, eto naman guys, no, dito, meron siyang league challenges, PvPs, champion stakes, no? dito kayo makakakuha ng CJC coins. Tapos yung CJC coins nyo naman, pwede nyo ma-convert to USDT. So 100 CJC coins is equivalent to 1 USDT. So quick look lang tayo sa video nila para may idea kayo na paano laruin since di tayo makapag-access sa mismong game dahil maintenance nga. So, let's take a look for the short video of the CJC race, no? Eto. May mga kabayo. Tao, yan guys, oh, dito. Dito sa part na to. Dito sa part na to. Need nyong matutok yung yellow at saka red na arrow para mabilis yung sprint ng horse mo pagka open nung gate. Parang sprint, no? Para mabilis at maunahan mo agad yung mga other players. Parang starting line, no? Ganon. Then continue tayo. Yun, naging perfect. Meron sila dito, guys, na stamina balance at saka parang itong mga arrows na to. Need mo yung yellow na bar naman, need mong ma-full yan para makapag-go ka. Tapos meron itong stamina, the red bar, and the balance, no? So, yung stamina, pag naubos yan, matatalo ka sa race. So, make sure na ma-strategize mo yung gameplay mo. At meron silang whip dito. Pwede mo anuhan yan. So, continue tayo sa video nila. So, ayan. Kung as you can see in the video, may nag-go signal na dun. So, balikan natin yan. Ito, go signal. Pagkapindot mo ng go signal, yung lahat ng bar mo ay magagamit mo, no? Magagamit mo yan lahat, tapos biglang bibilis yung takbo ng kabayo mo. Yan, tapos nagkapag-finish line siya. Dito naman sa leaderboards na to, okay, meron silang mga reward dito, guys, no? Meron silang reward na horse XP, jockey XP, ranking XP, and level up. Yan. Dito naman, nakita nyo naman sa league. Ito yung league, di ba? Yung nasabi ko. Meron silang first place, no? Pag first place ka, makakapag-gain ka ng 2k diamonds, 45,000 na CGC. CGC coins pa to? Okay. Tapos kita nyo naman dito, may yung mga gamit nilang horse ay UR or SSR, as you can see. So, patuloy natin yung video na to. So, build your own horses with unique combinations. So, may mga race strategies dito, guys, no? Kita nyo naman, sa champion stakes, meron ditong short, middle, at saka long. Sa short naman is yung parang sprint, no? Sprint siya. Maliit lang yung takbuhan. Tapos meron lang dito, saktuhan lang yung race nila na venue. At saka long is for long duration of meters run sa mga horse. Yan. Race available. Ayan. Ay, oo nga pala, guys. Dito naman, teka, saan yan? Kita nyo dito, first, second, and third. Pag first ka, mismo dito, makakuha ka ng 1,000 CJC coins. And second is 600 CJC coins. Kung kita nyo naman dito, guys, mayroon 1.6 meters to 8 meters, no? May mga designated time kung kailan yung start ng game o yung champion stake para makapag-register. Need mo mag-register para makapasok sa game nila o makapag-compete sa mismong champion stakes. So, continue lang natin yung video na to. Ayan, challenge with jackpot, no? Meron sa leaderboards dito. Kita nyo dito. Ayan. So, meron din ditong farm, no? Kita nyo dito sa farm nila. Pwede din kayo makapag-gain ng CJC coins dito. So, pag nasa game na kayo mismo, baka in the few next days, pag okay na yung game, gagawan tayo ng gameplay, no? Then, post natin sa YouTube natin, syempre. Then, makapag-earn ka ng CJC coins na 50 kung i-recycle mo. So, yun lang yun. So, sa next naman, sa game features, jockey, horses, and items are stored as NFTs on the blockchain, granting players full digital ownership of their assets. So, isa siyang play-to-earn functionality. Players can earn generous reward in-game and withdraw them to their private wallets. So, dito, private wallets. So, yung suggestion ko lang, gumawa kayo ng dummy account, dummy wallets, or burner para safe yung main wallet nyo if ever na makompromise yung wallet nyo guys, no? Kasi may mga players or mga gamers tayo dyan na kinoconnect yung wallet sa iba't ibang game tapos nako-compromise. So, make sure na gumagamit kayo ng mga dummy account. So, scalability for the futures. CGC racers will have head start advantage in the coming games to be launched, and the strategy-driven gameplays that racers can set up their own NFTs and props strategically by mixing and matching their unique attributes and abilities. When racing, players will control the jockey in-game to secure victory. Yun. So, marketplace. Ito yung marketplace nila. So, di din tayo makapag-access sa marketplace since maintenance, no? From Monday hanggang next week, August 24 ng Monday. So, di tayo makapag-access dyan. So, may susunod na video natin i-access yan. Tapos, meron silang white paper dito. So, how to join. Dito, mayroon silang how to play, race horse attributes. Since may mga skill yung mga horses natin, no? Or spellbook na ma-acquire random skills siya. So, equip it in your race horse and trigger a special effect during the race. Then, meron din tayong jockey attributes that possesses such as weight, balance, and technique. While balance and technique influence the performance in races. No, yun. May attributes din yung mga jockey. Then, items. It has specific attributes for either the race horse or jockey. There are total of 12 types of items available. Players can include up to 4 different items NFTs from various categories in racing sets. For example, the whip, no? Yung panghampas sa kabayo. NFT enhances the racehorse burst. So, meaning, pag ni-whip nyo yung kabayo, syempre, biblis yung takbo. While the silk NFT improves the jockey's balance. Ayan, may mga special kills dito. Mayroon silang warehouse. Tapos, teams and props. May mga game modes dito. Champion stakes. Member version only to. So, dito, top 3. CGC coins, climax tokens, and props yung makukuha. 4th and 5th, CG coins and climax tokens. And 6th to 18th, climax token lang. So, from top 1 to 5th, ang makukuha ay may CGC coins, climax tokens, and props. So, mga champion stakes naman, non-member version. So, free to all players. No? The system randomly assign one horse per race. All players are climax token based on placing with daily cap of 600 per player. So, assign one horse race. So, sa race horse naman guys, mayroon silang tatlong kind of racing horse, no? Merong sprint, middle, at saka furlong, no? Dapat kompleto ka niyan para makasali ka sa lahat ng game modes nila. Kasi may mga daily missions dito. Everyday players receive 3 random missions to completing each daily mission rewards players with 1 diamond. Upon finishing all 3 missions, players can claim an additional 5 diamonds. players have the option to trade diamonds, swap out their daily mission. So, yung diamonds, guys, is in-game currency na magagamit mo sa shop para makapagbili ka ng mga items doon. So, log in with your wallet. And achievements, merong farm, no? Crop matures at varying rates. Players can deploy crops planting to boost yield and rare crop drop rates. Pwede mo siya, yung crop nyo mo, pwede mo ma-exchange from sa merchant to become CGC coins. Alright. So, may ito NFT, no? Meron ditong normal, rare, super rare, super rare, at saka ultra rare, at saka legendary rare. Ayun, may mga odds dito, probability, no? Na makukuha mo. Yan itong jockey, items, ganun. So, yun lang guys, quick overview lang yun sa CGC natin, no? Sa game. Since maintenance sila, bali sa next video natin, doon naman tayo sa gameplay mismo para aware kayo kung ano talaga yung gameplay ng game, no? Kung bakit siya skill-based game. So, salamat nga pala sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, sa mga subscribers ko, at yung mga bago pa lang sa channel natin, huwag kalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe para updated kayo sa panibagong upload natin about sa CGC Racing o sa mga iba't ibang Web3 games na makikita natin o masasalihan natin. So, this is my suggestion, guys. This is my only suggest to you all. Always do your own research before kayo mag-invest o sumali sa mga ganitong games ng Web3. At saka, so, invest only what you can afford to lose, guys, para di kayo magsisi. So, this is your boy Yaito, one of the co-founder of the Uncrowned Kings. Kung gusto nyo din mga sumali sa mga communities for Web3, meron sa description yung link ng Discord channel namin, The Uncrowned Kings. Isa ako sa, sa co-founder. Pwede kayo mag-ask ng question sa akin. Mention nyo lang ako, Yahito, kung may mga question kayo. So, dito na nagtatapos ang video natin, guys. This is your boy Yahito, and peace out. Bye-bye.